She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new here. If you are new, my name is Natalie. I am a senior at the University of North Texas, and I'm also an accounting major. Today is Wednesday, February 17th, and it's 9:45 in the morning right now. I literally just got out of bed, and my nose is feeling really dry this morning. Probably because it's so freaking cold here in Texas right now. It's unbelievable. By the way, if you're new, I'd love for you to hit that subscribe button. We have finally hit 2,000 subscribers on this channel. Thank you guys so much. You are all amazing, so supportive, and you always send so much love. So thank you guys so much. But yeah, so it's crazy. So here in Dallas, Texas, well, I know it's everywhere in Texas, I'm pretty sure, but I live in Dallas, Texas, and so the weather over here has been really bad. We have not had any power for the past 2 to 3 days, and yesterday it went down to 3 degrees, I think, and the day before it was 0 degrees, and it has been snowing non-stop. I think we're on day 3 or maybe even 4 of the snow, and I'm telling you guys, we have not had power. I think this morning is the first morning I woke up with the power being on, and yesterday, which was Tuesday and Monday, so Monday we had no power. We literally went almost 24 hours without power, except Monday it came on. The power came on for maybe an hour on Monday around 4:30, so I quickly prepped dinner and got dinner ready and made, and I made spaghetti that day, and literally 10 minutes right before dinner was about to be done, the power went out. But we do have is it gas or electric? I always get those confused. I'm pretty sure it's gas. It's the stove where you turn it on and the fire comes out. I always get them confused. Don't ask me. But anyways, we have that kind of stove, so if the power goes out, we've been lighting matches and putting it under the stove, and the fire just kind of comes out. We didn't have internet, and then our pipes froze, so we didn't have water for 2 days almost, and they just came back on. The water pipes just came back yesterday night, so we started running the water, getting all the cold water out, and then we finally had hot water. So yeah, if you don't know what's going on with your Texas friends, check on them, watch the news, because literally it is still so white and snowy outside. Yeah, it's been crazy. All my online classes have been canceled all the way through Saturday. As of right now, I literally have not been doing anything. The past 2 to 3 days, I've just been laying in bed, and then when the power is not on, I literally either sleep or I will eat, or I literally it's so boring. But I've been playing with Abby, and I put her paws in the snow the first morning, and she did not like it at all. She doesn't like the snow. She got really mad at me after that. And yeah, that's what's been going on. I don't have any homework. I can't access the internet. What are you doing? So yeah, but the only thing I can access on my iPad is my McGraw-Hill ebook app, which is weird, but I guess that's good because it gives me something to do. So Monday I read chapter 6 for audit class, even though nothing's due, and then I'm gonna probably start reading chapter 18 for tax. But I think I'm just gonna be taking notes today and literally just have a chill day because there's nothing else to do. but I'm gonna make some coffee. Yes, I've been drinking coffee even though it's like freezing outside. But the first 2 nights we had no heater, no water, no power, like nothing. It was freezing cold in the house. So we were like all wearing like sweaters and robes and beanies and had like 3 different blankets on our bed. But yeah, that's the whole story. Sorry I've been talking for like 7 minutes, but I had to like update you guys. And yeah, that's what's going on. And it's literally so like snowy. You guys see that? It's all white outside. And the snow is very soft. I went and touched it the other day. It's very soft. It's like actual snow. It's not ice. Eventually it probably will turn into ice, but I do not work today and I don't work the rest of the week due to the weather. So I've literally been home since when was it? Did I work on Saturday? Since Saturday. I worked on Saturday. Monday I worked Wednesday, Thursday, and Saturday last week. So, but yeah, it's freezing cold outside. And yeah, so I'm gonna go make some coffee. And I wonder if my iPad is charged, because it's on 67. I'm gonna go ahead and charge it right now while the power is on, in case the power decides to like shut off. But yesterday the power kept going on and off like the whole day long, so it would stay on for like an hour, turn off for like 3 hours, turn back on for like an hour and a half to 2 hours, turn off. It was like, you know, a continuous thing. But also, look at these beautiful flowers my fiance got me for Valentine's Day. And the vase is so cute. Like, this is so me. So cute. And then he also got me a really cute card. If it will zoom in. And then I got chocolates from everyone. So I got chocolate from my parents. This is the chocolate that Chris got me. I got some chocolate from my mom, my dad, you know, all the good stuff. Perfect timing, because this week is like that time of the month for me. So perfect timing with Valentine's Day. I get all the chocolate. I don't remember the last time we got snow in Texas. Like, oh my goodness. Oh my. Like, look how soft it is. It's really cold though.
I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you move, baby, you're so fine. Your hips swing like God's design. I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you dance, you catch my eye. You're so sacred, so divine. I've been fading so fine. Your hips swing like God's design. I can't get it out of my mind. You know I think about it all the time. The way you dance, you catch my eye. You're so sacred, so divine. I've been fading, we've been hesitating. This feeling can't shake it, so why don't we just make it?
Okay, so it's a lot later. It's been a couple hours since I last talked to you guys. It's actually 4:15 now, and I think the last time I talked to you guys was like maybe, I think like when I, like right before I made breakfast, which was like, I don't know, 10:30 in the morning or something like that. And it's like literally the day's like already almost over. But I'm gonna tell you what happened today. So after I talked to you guys, I went downstairs, made some breakfast. So I used the Kodiak Cakes protein pancake mix. You can use it for pancakes or waffles. So I made chocolate chip waffles for my brother, and then whatever like protein batter mix I had, I made some waffles with the big waffle maker, and then added some blueberries on top. It was so yummy. We didn't have any strawberries, so I just added some blueberries. And then after that, I made my coffee and came upstairs, and then I kid you not, I started looking at chapter 15 for tax. So I went back and like started kind of reviewing. So we already did chapter 15, 16, and 17. We're supposed to start chapter 18 this coming up week, but since classes are canceled for this whole week, I'm kind of just probably like gonna use that time to go back at the chapters that we've talked about and like discuss them, or not discuss them, but like review them, because I'm having a hard time with chapters 16 and 17. But anyway, so I went back to chapter 15 and like kind of started skimming through the ebook, because I do have access to the ebook on my iPad, but I guess you don't have to have internet for that. And then literally like within 10 minutes I like stopped, and then I FaceTimed Chris and we were just like talking, and then I laid in bed, and then I was like, you know what, screw this, like I'm so tired of sitting in this house with no power, no water, no nothing. So I went outside and I took advantage of the like, I don't know, 6-7 inches of snow that we have, and I just played in the snow and I made a little snowman. And I did get some pictures on my iPhone, and then I did get a video, so I will go ahead and add those clips in right now. So after I played in the snow, took some pictures, made a tiny little snowman, I came back in the house, made a little cheese sandwich. I just used pita bread and some Kobe Jack cheese, put it in the microwave, and just like ate it like that. And now I've literally just been like laying in bed watching YouTube videos, and I'm telling you guys, like the snow and the weather has made me so lazy, because I've been home since Saturday and I have not been doing anything. So this is the ebook app that I use. I'll show you right now. It's the McGraw-Hill education app, and I guess you don't need Wi-Fi or internet for that. And then I have my GoodNotes on the right side, so I'm using the split screen. And then I was just going through like my tax PowerPoint slides. So chapter 15 deals with business entities, So like partnerships, limited liability corporations, S corporations, all that stuff. So I was just like going through the book and kind of just reviewing, highlighting anything important, and then I was also looking at the slides to kind of like just match everything. But I'm having a hard time with chapter 16 and 17. So let's see. Chapter 16 deals with corporate operations, and then chapter 17 I think is accounting for income taxes, and I haven't even I wasn't even able to download the PowerPoint slides because we didn't have power. So I'm just gonna like go through the book and then go through my notes and kind of just like have a chill rest of the day. Hello? What are you doing? CP? Good afternoon, everyone. It is the next day. I ended up like not doing very much yesterday, so I figured I would take this vlog onto the next day. It's Thursday today, February 18th, and it's 2:15 in the afternoon. This morning I woke up around 10 o'clock. I just made a cup of coffee, and my internet is finally up and running today, so I took advantage of that and I went ahead, finished adding music to a vlog, and now I'm uploading that to YouTube. So that's going right now. It's almost done. I have my purifier going. I just have some peppermint in here because I have some really bad like pressure on my head, and I don't know if it's a migraine or what, but I have that going. I have some water, and I'm going to like just turn my TV on and kind of just chill in my bed. My internet is up, like I said. However, all the due dates for my assignments are still pushed back, so I have some extra time to complete the assignments. But I think I might like go ahead and start working on something today, since I've literally been doing nothing the past like 4 days. Also, I have not done my skincare yet. Apparently, so like I wasn't paying attention, I guess, yesterday when I did my skincare, but we're under a like boil water alert in my area. So with like the pipes being frozen and everything, and the water is like turning off and on, they're saying for us to boil the water if we like consume it from the sink, and do not drink the tap water, just because I guess since the pipes are like frozen and then they're turning on, there's like a lot of like trash going through the water. And I was watching the sink. I was looking in the sink earlier because I was doing some dishes, and the water did look dirty. So when I brush my teeth, I'm going to just use like some bottled water. As far as my skincare, like, I don't know. I took a shower yesterday, so I don't know about that whole situation. But yeah, but I never drink tap water anyways, and when I use the sink water, I always boil it first, so whenever like I cook and stuff. So that I already knew. There's still snow outside. It is sunny today though, I will say that. The sky looks beautiful right now. I'm gonna see if I can log on to Canvas, because I know like the past couple days, the server for Canvas has been down, so I haven't really been able to check Canvas. Apparently the UNT website is still down, because I can't even like get on. So does that mean I don't get to do homework? Oh, I bet you if I can log on to McGraw-Hill Connect, I can access my assignments through there. That's smart. See, I always find a way around it. So I was able to log in the McGraw-Hill website, so that's good. Now if I scroll down to since I read chapter 6 for audit, I think I'm going to do my chapter 6 Learn Smart for audit. Let's see when the due date for that is. Okay, so he changed it. It's originally due tomorrow, which is the 19th, but he changed it to the 26th. So I definitely have time to do that. But I read chapter 6 on Monday, so while it's fresh in my head, I'm literally just going to do it right now. Alright, so I finished the chapter 6 Learn Smart assignment for my audit class, and I'm going to look at my planner for February because a lot of these due dates have now changed. So I'm going to use the Canvas app on my iPad because I noticed the server for our school is down, like if I were to type it in on the computer, but on the app on my iPad I've been able to access Canvas. So I'm gonna just kind of start filling in and using whiteout to change the due dates. And then I have friends on in the background, so right now I am using the Becker website. All of my accounting majors are going to know what Becker is. For those of you that don't, Becker is just like a huge company that accounting majors use to like study for the CPA exam. So they have really good study material and ways to like prep for the CPA exam. But so for two of my classes, for my tax 2 and for my audit class, we were able to register for free, and we have access to some study materials. So I finished the chapter 6 Learn Smart assignment, but for last week for chapter 5, I read like the chapter and I did the homework and everything, but I was unable to look at the chapter 5 study material on the Becker website. So that's what I'm doing right now. The high today was, I think, like 30 degrees and it was sunny, so the snow started to melt, but in some areas the snow is turning into ice. So that's what I'm doing right now. I'm watching module 2, which is all about documentation. And then I need to watch module 4, which is about planning. So that's what I'm doing. And then, so what's really cool about this study material right now is that there is a video, but he's talking, and as he's talking, he's literally telling us what to underline, what to highlight, and like key topics. So let me show you what I'm talking about. It's literally, it makes it so much easier for me. Okay, sorry guys, my camera cut off, but I was talking about how the material, like he will talk, like if I push play, and as he's talking, he literally tells us what to circle, what to note, what to highlight. So while he's doing that and talking, I go through and I select the keywords that he wants us to highlight. And then over here in the little note section, I will type out any of the red font that he has, because once the lecture is over, that goes away. So I have that written on the note side right here. And then once that's done, I will probably go on my iPad and write that in on my GoodNotes app. Okay, so after I watched module 2 and 4, which was documentation and planning, I added the little notes right here on the side, and then after that I went ahead and added them to my iPad. So here is the module 2 documentation notes. This is literally like the key points that he had pointed out and told us to underline or circle or anything like that. So this is exactly what he mentioned. So that was for module 2, and then module 4 was all about planning. So here is literally like everything that he told us to focus on. It's not a whole lot, but it's really nice that that the study material on Becker literally tells us what to circle and underline and focus on. So that is done. So as of right now, I just opened chapter 17 homework for my tax class. Originally it was due Monday, and then she pushed it to Thursday, and then now it's pushed all the way to March 1st. So I do have some time to work on it, but honestly, like I have nothing else to do, so I kind of want to like get some stuff done ahead of time, because I know I'm going to have like probably some more exams coming up, and then some cases and probably like projects coming up soon, because it is getting closer to the middle of the semester. Hi guys, I just ate dinner like 30 minutes ago, maybe like an hour ago, like around 8:30, and it's 9:40 at night right now. I finished my chapter 17 tax homework. I finished the chapter 5 notes on Becker for my audit class, and then I also did chapter 6 Learn Smart assignment for my audit class as well. So that's pretty much all I'm doing for the rest of like the day and evening. I'm not going to do anything else tonight, just because I feel like I don't need to. Tomorrow I will probably do some reading, and I don't know what else I'll do tomorrow. Probably like a lot of reading tomorrow, but like I said, all of my due dates are pushed out further, so honestly, like, I probably shouldn't even be doing anything right now, but figured I would just like start on some small assignments. But anyways, hopefully this vlog turned out good. Yesterday I didn't like really do much, so I thought I would combine the 2 days, and I just hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. You guys got to see some snow, and you guys got to see what I did for the past 2 days. It was kind of productive, kind of lazy, you know, best of both worlds. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, comment if you're new to this channel. Let's chat in the comments, and I will see you guys in my next video. Good night. Bye, guys.